Let me show you how to make these delicious succulent peppered chicken legs. So I start off by first of all slicing up about 1/4 of a medium brown onion, and this is going to be used to prepare our chicken stock. Now here I've got 2 chicken legs that I've cleaned with water, patted dry, and I'm going to season them with salt, black pepper, garlic granules, and chuck those onions that I sliced on top. I'm also going to add a bit of olive oil and then massage that all into my chicken. I then add the chicken to a pot along with the onions, and I add a chicken stock cube and also some boiled water until the chicken is just about covered. So I start off by cooking my chicken through boiling. Separately, I'm going to start to make my pepper mix. So I've got a medium red bell pepper. I also add some onion and some Scotch bonnet, and you just want to blend that down in a food processor roughly. I'm preparing more vegetables here, so I've got 1 medium bell pepper across 2 colors and I'm chopping this up. I'm also going to slice up some red onion, and we're going to use this as garnish later on. The chicken that I've boiled is now out of the pot and I'm going to cook it in the oven. Then I'm going to start to make my pepper mix. I add some oil to a pan, I add in that pepper, I season it with Maggi, and I just let this cook down. I then add a bit of that chicken stock from the chicken that we prepared earlier on, the vegetables that we chopped up, and I season it with a bit of thyme and a bit of curry powder. And again, I mix this all together and I let it reduce. You can add some extra all-purpose seasoning or salt to taste. Once the chicken is out of the oven, I then toss it in that delicious peppery sauce, and there you have these delicious peppered chicken legs. You can eat these on their own, or you can have them with rice. They've got a good kick to it, and they're perfect for all the chicken lovers. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.